So we want. So in this class, we will be talking about a fish problem. Okay. So in discussing the fish problem, we have the three cases we have to main important. So what is the parameters we call it as? The one is conducting, conductor, that is conducting. Second one is conduction. Third one is heat generation. Okay. So the three parameters are being included in the fish problem. That is the main factors to analyze the fish problem. So whether you have to calculate the stiffness matrix for convection and the convection problem. Okay, we are already discussing about the convection, how to arrange the convection equation. Okay, so we have to already study the formula of KC. That is KC is mean is called as convection stiffness of convection of the particular element. Okay, what is the formula then? A by L 1 minus 1 minus 1 1. Okay, so here A is called as area, K is called as thermal conductivity, L is called as the element of the particular element. Any element we have to consider that element. That is called as the L. Okay, so after that we have to find out the one of what is called as convection. Okay, so we have whether you have to find out the convection. So what is the general governing equation? That is the general governing equation we call it as KH. That is the N. Where in the N means the process will be ending with the convection process, not in the beginning, in the ending. Okay. So for example, in that we have to process is going on. That's the convection problem. That is the meaning of N. Okay. The double integration of surface H N transport N ds. So here L is called as shape function. So, okay. So H is called as thermal coefficient. Okay. Next D is called as the surface element. So for example, in the surface you have to consider mu, that is the surface. Yes. Okay. So double integration of S H N transport D, that is N dx. Here the surface will be analyzed into that is called as perimeter into dx. So P is called as perimeter. What is a perimeter? So whatever shape given your problem, like a rectangle or circular, okay, you have to find the perimeter and you have to quantitate degrees. So that is the process. So what is the n? We have to always study. Okay. So that is called as L minus x by L x by x. Clear? Yes. Then we have to analyze that is the n transpose. That is called as L minus x by L then x by L. So you have to solve two matrices. So like it's a 1 into 2, here 2 into 1 map. Okay. So we have to solve in this equation, you're getting the equation of this one. So what is the getting equation? That is L minus x by L the whole square, x by L, L minus x by L, x by L, L minus x by L, x by L the whole square. That is the formula you have to arrive. Then you have to solve the equation of N transport and N. Okay, so after this finally N transport N, we also substitute in the general governing equation. Okay, what is the governing equation? That is double integration of H N transport N into dn. So substituting this element into this area. Okay, what the balance element here? H and ds. So ds we have to summarize what is that? That is called as P into dx. What is the P? It is called as perimeter into dx. So that term I got mentioned already. So that is H into ds. So ds I have to convert into perimeter into dx. Okay. So here I have to represent the single integration. So what is the meaning that here the surface you have to mention, the surface means they have two elements. There is a length and width or x and no. Whatever any axis you have to take. Okay. That is the S, then ds. That is the meaning is called as circle. But here I have to mention the dx. I have to mention either you have to take x axis or y axis. That is the parameter we consider dx so that I have to represent the single integration. That is the difference. Here I have to mention the surface so that I got to use indication as the double integration. Here I have to mention the length or particular coordination so that I have to mention the single integration. That is limit of 0 to L. So 0 means that is the lower limit. The L is the total length of your finger. Okay, that is the 0 to L. So after that you have to solve this equation. So we are always studying the integration. We are lower classes. Okay, that's the year second. Okay. So after solving this equation, you getting these parameters. So like for example, I take a simple example. 0 to n x by m minus x square x square into dx. I have to integrate this term. Okay. So what is that? X square by 2l minus x cube by 3l square. What is the meaning that? I have to integrate. Okay. So x integration of what is the answer? X square by 2. So that I have to integrate. So here the x square is there. So what is the term? X cube by 2. Clear. That's okay. So after substituting the lower limit and upper limit, what is the upper limit here? Yeah. What is the lower limit? G. So instead of yes, you have to replace the value of yeah. So what is the formula we getting? L by 6. So you have to solve each and every term of this equation. You getting the what is the final solution on this one? HP L by 3, L by 6, L by 6, L by 6. That is the final outcome of what? Swiftness matrix for convection. Okay, thank you.